to the channel of Arogya Bharat. Now world is suffering from COVID-19. All over the world there is a misery and death. All the world is frightened, but interestingly it is a quiet fact that India is coming out from this COVID-19. As you know very well, India and Italy started suffering from the COVID-19 at the same time. Now the death rate in Italy is more than 33,000. In comparison to India, there is almost 5,000 death rate due to COVID in India. There is tremendous difference between the death rate due to the immunity of Indians. Indians have stronger immunity in the world. Indians are well known for their immunity. The suspense of immunity is difference of immunity from the world to Indians is in kitchen. The kitchen of Indians are very rich of various herbs. Indians are used to use of herbs in day-to-day life. Now the WHO recommend the use of these herbs. Indians are using these herbs since thousands of years. Indians have habit of eating herbs in day-to-day life. They are used to eat herbs. Herbs are the part of their life. Herbs are the part of their kitchen. Then day-to-day life they uses herbs for the welfare of their body. Indians believe that if they are using the rich diet of herbs, they have the tremendous immunity. Indians believe to live for the more than 100 years. Indians have habits of immunity in day-to-day life. They use day-to-day life as a suspense. And they have so many suspense in day-to-day life, which have to world explore from Indians. Indians very good habit of namaste. Now the world is talking of social distancing. Indians are used to of namaste to use. In day-to-day life, people welcomes to other body from namaste. Indians, no man can shake hand with the woman unless until is the brother or sister. No other man like this. 50% of population of women cannot touch from the men. And Indians have a good culture of touching feet. If you are not in the same age, you can shake hand with the people. Otherwise, you have to touch the feet of the people. Since the senior citizens are away from the youngers like this. These kind of good habits are in Indians. Namaste India is the concept which has saved us from the COVID. Now we talk of the eating habits. Indians have the habit of eating food on the floor in the Padmasan or Sukhasan. They like to eat it on the first floor. Due to this habit, when we eat the food on the floor, their lower abdominal area is pressed. Due to that, they eat less food. As the Ayurveda of Indian believe that one should eat low quantity of food. Means one should eat 75% of food of his hunger. That is why when their low abdomen is squeezed, they eat less food. That is why Indians eat less food when they eat less food. Then they eat less food, there are the possibilities of good digestion. When they have good digestion, they have good immunities. Like that, I talk of the kitchen, herbs. They are used to eat of herbs. Now the WHO itself says you should eat whole grain food and vegetables as a diet. Indians are used to eat vegetables. in day-to-day life, in every food, they 25% of their diet is vegetables. They eat vegetables with the rotis, and that is the whole grain food we eat in the diet. Now WHO is recommending rice, and he's talking of avoid of meat, and he's taking of milk. All these are products are our day-to-day life. We eat rotis with the vegetable. We eat salads. We eat ginger, onion, garlic. All these products are our part of life. As you know very well, ginger, onion, garlic, all these have properties to keep away ourselves from influenza like disease. Like you know, COVID-19 is something same of COVID influenza. Like this disease, the same symptom of same disease influenza. So we are all these care and take day-to-day life, ginger, garlic, and so many. Now WHO is asking to take richest, highest quantity of vitamin C. We Indians with amla, gooseberry, we take in day-to-day life. Gooseberry is the richest source of vitamin C, and we consume vitamin C in day-to-day life. As in Ayurveda, amla, gooseberry is recommended for the balance of all the tattvas. Vat, Pitta, Kapha. As Indian says in Ayurveda, it is said that all three elements balance keeps our immunity strong. And now WHO is asking to eat vitamin C. Vitamin C is a part of life. That is, we have so strong immunity rest from the rest of the world. Thank you. Now we'll talk of you in our next video how Indians are different in food habits from the rest of the world. Thank you.